So we're going to still continue on the soloing series, okay? On how to solo part 4. I showed you the part 1, the part 2, the part 3. So if you didn't watch it, do where to comment. Here on the comment section, I'm going to give you the link to the video so you go and watch, okay? It's going to enhance and give you a very good insight on how to solo as an intermediate guitarist or a beginner, possibly, okay? So, without wasting much of time, like us to go into the video, okay? But before then, if you know that it's the first time you're watching me, coming across my video, do where to hit on the like button, subscribe so that you don't miss that videos like this, okay? I have good, interesting, and advanced content for you guys, okay? All right, so let's move straight to the video. So let's do the lesson in the key of G. This is the key of G. So like I always said, the best way you can play your major scale is always horizontal like this. Okay? So with this, you're going to get a very good insight on how you can improvise all over the fretboard. Okay? Like whether in a gospel praise song, whether in a gospel worship section, when you understand this shape, you are able to solo very well. Unlike you see other pro guitarists soloing, okay, you are able to solo very well, okay, and make good sound and harmonies, okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this 5 pentatonic shape. How you going to play it? Now, which is the do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Sorry. Okay, with the open note. So now, the first one is do. So from this shape, you can have your do scale here, okay, from there. Okay. So when you understand this shape, now you go to your re. This is your re. You have re, mi, sol, la, do, re. Okay. Re, mi, sol, la, do, re. Do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. So these are the things you need to start practicing. So after we'll show you how you can apply that in soloing. So the second one, the third one is mi. Now you have mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, so, mi. So now that one, you're actually having it in this shape. In this do shape here. You're actually having that in this do shape here, okay? So from the mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, mi, re, do, la, do, mi, re, do, la. Okay, so that is the fourth one is saw. So this saw now you're gonna play it like this. Sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay. Sorry. Do, la, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol, mi, re, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la, sol, mi, re, do, la. Okay, so the fifth one is la. So on this shape now, okay, you're gonna play the la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la. Okay, la, do, re, mi, sol, la. Sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, do, mi. I know you know this shape already, so if you can practice this 5 shape very well, okay, subsequently I'll be showing you in other keys how you can figure it out, okay? But if you can practice this with the major and the sharp, okay, the flat keys, you will see yourself playing like a pro, okay? Because one of the things that happens is not for you playing in a particular key you've learned already. It's the ability of you applying them in other keys, just like G sharp. Okay, just like you apply it in G sharp and other keys. So what the thing you have to know is that when you want to go into soloing, at first you have to practice this pentatonic shape in different keys, in all the keys, okay? Both the sharp and the flat, you have to practice them. So I want you to go back and study these licks, okay? Study this scale shape. And now, I don't want to make it a bit harder for you guys, but I just want to break it down for you to understand. You got to understand from the do. Now, you still have your la on the open note, So, this same la here is the open note there, okay? So, from the same shape you play here, you can still play it here. Okay, so that is it. Just work on that, practice that very well, okay? In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can put that into applications, okay? All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.